How to sign up for CJ Affiliate. First, open your browser and go to cj.com. On the homepage, click Sign Up in the top right corner. You'll see options for advertisers and publishers. Select Sign Up as Publisher, since you want to promote products and earn commissions. Next, fill out the registration form with accurate details. Your full name and email address, password, country, and preferred currency for payments. Make sure you use your real information, as CJ will verify it later. Now, CJ will ask how you plan to promote products. You can add your website URL, YouTube channel, or social media page. If you don't have a website, you can still apply, but you must describe your promotional method clearly, like, I will promote products through my YouTube tutorials and Instagram marketing. Being specific increases your chances of approval. Read through the publisher agreement, check the box, and click Sign Up. Thanks for watching.